Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today we are going to make some ginger beer. So we've got our ginger from the garden. Our next step is going to be washing it. We've also got some lemons. Those are going to come in handy. We've got our sugar, we've got our yeast, and we've got some non-chlorinated water. One of the things I find really cool about fresh ginger is you can just rub the skin right off. We've got our ginger, now we got to grate it. We've got our ground up ginger, we've got our water, and we're gonna mix that with our sugar, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. Sugar, and we're gonna mix it with our distilled water. Any non-chlorinated water will work. We wanna get that nice and hot, and we're also gonna mix all of our ginger in there. We've got about 3 cups of ginger in there. Once it's dissolved, all the sugar, we're gonna let this sit off of the heat for 1 hour, let it cool down to room temperature. You want it all the way to room temperature so you don't kill the yeast. Okay, so we have our sugar and ginger solution, and we are gonna strain that. We let this settle. We let it cool down to room temperature. Now we are going to add our yeast. We're going to use regular baking yeast. And we are just going to pour that in there. We're going to use about half of a container, half of a package. Should be good. Alrighty. We're going to give that a little bit of a stir up there. Let that yeast get all inside there. Also, I notice it's already settling at the bottom. It would mix that whole thing up. And got our little top here. And we're gonna put that in a cool place that's dark, and we're gonna leave that for about 2 or 3 days, and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so we got the finished product here. I kind of messed up. I forgot to film me straining this through this brew bag. It's just a fine mesh, and I strain it through there. I let this sit for about 2 days, and after 2 days, we strained it, and this is the end result here. It's very strong, but I like it. Ginger beer. Cheers. See ya. Bye.